Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are breaking down exactly how to make money with crypto in 2025 even if you're a complete beginner. No hype, just real strategies. Let's dive in. Section 1. Understand the basics. Before you invest, understand what crypto really is. It's not just Bitcoin, there are thousands of digital assets used in finance, gaming, AI, and more. Learn terms like blockchain, wallet, token, and DeFi. The knowledge is your first investment. Section 2. Buying and holding. HODLing. One of the simplest ways to earn with crypto? Just buy and hold. Choose strong, established coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana and hold them long-term. With the next bull run likely in 2025, this could bring serious returns. Section 3. Trading for the brave. If you're willing to take more risk, try crypto trading. Buy low, sell high. But be warned, it's not easy. Use platforms like Binance or Coinbase, and always set stop losses to protect your capital. Section 4. Staking and passive income. Want passive income? Try staking. You lock your crypto in a network and earn rewards, kind of like earning interest. Platforms like Lido, Coinbase, and Kraken offer easy ways to stake your assets. Section 5. Diversify and stay safe. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different types of coins like DeFi, gaming, and utility tokens. And always store your crypto safely in hardware wallets if possible. Bonus tip: avoid scams. Crypto is full of opportunity but also scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stick to trusted platforms and never share your wallet's private key. And that's your beginner's guide to making money with crypto in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Until next time, stay smart, stay safe, and stay crypto curious.